Hello. Today I'm gambling. I love gambling, by the way. But the only problem with me gambling is that it's 800 Robux. But I'm not donating it to the stack, obviously. I'm gonna gamble on Music Bee. This one right here. That's the gifted one. My ungifted one right here. I'm gambling this one away, and I'm trying to get a gifted buoyant. This is the goal right here. Gifted buoyant. This is the goal. She's the goal right here. I want her. She's the goal. But since it's my birthday today, you better subscribe. Subscribe like a good boy. Just in case this isn't out there. Ooh, this is so risky, but I'm gonna do it. Oh, that hurt, guys. There she is, starting. Let's use it. Please don't scam me, please don't scam me. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna look away. Oh my god. I did not need that. I already have a baby bee. That was a waste of Robux. I gotta buy more now. I only have 4,400 now. Bro. Are those even good? Is this any good? Loot luck. Do I need loot luck? That was the biggest scam. They just scammed me out of 800. I get 75 loot luck now. This just gives 25. I'm gonna test it. Hopefully you're still alive. It's probably gonna give me crap. But with this gifted baby bee, I'm gonna wait for baby love. Plus this 25%. Hurry up, baby bee. Why are we all happy? Why is one of us sad? Who is that? Why are you sad? Where is it? Does it have a timer on it? Frick! It's gonna run out. I can maybe make it. No, I'm not making it. I'm gonna wait. Okay, give me baby love. Oh, dang. Wait, I still have my old baby bee. I'm gonna replace that real quick. Do I get baby love though? Oh, let's go. Wait, I got baby love. I don't care who this was from. Get it. Kill it. How is it not dead?
Finally, it took you long enough. Oh my god, I got nothing good. This was a waste. Okay. That was such a waste of 800 Robux. Should I do it again? Chat, should I do it again? What am I talking to chat? I'm not live streaming. Okay. Should I risk it for the biscuit and do it again? No, I'm good. I'm safe. See y'all later. Maybe. I do have a baby bee I could use it on. Then I don't want a freaking demon or a diamond. It's gonna give me one of these two. I know it is. It's probably gonna give me It's probably gonna give me this. This actually is not that bad. Convert rate? Why do people say this is so bad? This is so much worse. Well, actually, both of these are kind of bad. This doesn't give it passive. I want gifted bullion. Oh, should I though? Should I? Yeah, one more. One more game. 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 Oh, y'all do not. This is. Oh my god. Really? I wanted a gifted bullion. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. That was it. Is that all y'all wanted to see?